Hi guys, I'm Afton and welcome to Cooking with Afton. How you guys doing? I'm doing great. I know I missed last week. Last week I didn't upload any video for you guys. I'm sorry about that. But your girl was sick, alright? I was home on bed rest for the past week, so I didn't make any videos for you guys. So don't worry. This week I'm gonna upload 4 videos for you guys just to make up for last week, alright? So today's recipe is going to be Guyanese chicken foot sauce, alright? I'm going to show you guys step by step how to make this delicious sauce, so I hope you guys enjoy watching my video and give my video a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel and click the bell so you guys will be notified whenever I upload another video, alright? I also have another chicken foot sauce video on my channel, but this one is slightly different, alright? This one have more ingredients in it, alright? Oh, and I also want you guys to know that I create a playlist on my channel. Basically, just go to my home page and you will see my playlist, and I try to pair all my different types of different foods together, so it can be much easier for you guys to watch my videos, alright? So you guys should please check out my playlist and watch my videos, alright? I have lots more videos to put on the playlist, but I have a good set for now. Alright, so let me just show you my ingredients for my Guyanese chicken foot sauce. Enjoy! Hey guys, today we're going to be making some Guyanese chicken foot sauce. So here's my ingredients. First we have some all-purpose seasoning, black pepper, some eshlotte, celery, fine leaf thyme, Wiri pepper, onions, and some cubes. And here we have some vinegar, lime juice, and cucumber. And here's my chicken foot here. So the first thing you're going to do is put some water to boil in a pot. So I have some water here boiling in the pot there. So I'm going to put it in my chicken foot and let it boil for about 15 to 20 minutes. So we'll be back. Okay, so my chicken foot has been boiling for about 15 minutes. So I'm going to strain off all the water. We'll be back. So I just threw away all of the water. So I'm going to put fresh water now into the pot. And we're going to flavor the pot now. This is optional. I'm going to put in 1 cube and the Wiri pepper. Alright, and then you're going to leave it to boil for about another 15 minutes. So we'll be back. Okay, so my chicken foot finished boiling, so I'm going to put it into my glass container. We'll be back. Okay, so I just put my chicken foot into the glass container here. So we're going to flavor the sauce. So you're going to put in your other cube. You're going to put in your fine leaf thyme, celery, and shallots. And also you're going to put in your onions. You're going to mix this up together. So you're going to put in here a little bit of black pepper. Mix it up. You're going to put in your vinegar. And also you're going to put in your lime juice. Right? Mix it up. I'm going to taste it. Okay, need a little bit more, need some all-purpose seasoning. So you're going to put in some all-purpose seasoning. Check the description box down below for all my measurements and ingredients, alright? You're going to mix this up. And and you're gonna put in your cucumber. Alright, now you're gonna mix the cucumber up into your sauce. Okay guys, so this is the end results for my Guyanese chicken with sauce. So I hope you guys enjoy watching my video, and give my video a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel. Click the bell so you guys will be notified whenever I upload another video. Alright, and you can follow me on Instagram, Cooking with Afton, and follow me on Facebook, Cooking with Afton. Alright, and you guys can share my video as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and stay blessed. Bye.